Okay, a few more things I got at the thrift store. This was in the past, but they've been laying around and I'm out of breath from moving the heavy door. But it's a bifold door. And it looks a lot like my front door, so. They had it forever for like 13 or 14. And I was like, I didn't get it for the longest. It was there forever. And one day I decided, well, I'll get it. And they done moved it out because it wasn't selling. So they let me get it for $6. And then a couple of weeks later, they got another one. So I got it too, but I didn't haul it in here. And so what I'm planning on doing is my washer and dryers in my kitchen. And I'm planning on covering them where you can't see them. I don't know when I'll get around to it, but that's my plan. And this curtain rod, well, now the second door I had to give, I think it had 12 on it. I don't remember. And this curtain rod, it was probably $1.99. It was cheap. And I'm going to use it. I can use the ends for my mannequins. And you know, I can use that stick too. And then there's another end. And I got the little kitty cat clock. It still does. He ain't done nothing with it. But I have a kitty cat fan that my son and daughter-in-law had got me a few years ago. So that'll be cute with that. And this thing, I fell in love with it. And I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it. But you can tell it's been outdoors. Yeah, you can tell it's been outdoors, and so I don't know if I'll have it indoors or outdoors. And this design, these little, I ain't wild about that, so I don't know how to disguise that. I'll figure something out, but it's got all the little loops for crystals and stuff. And then, let's see. I think that was, oh, there's my dog. She's got a skin condition. Well, she's got Cushing's disease. Is that what they call it in dogs? And yeah, her health's really bad. But what was I saying about this before I started talking about my dog's nasty back? Anyway, I don't remember. Oh, I think I had to give 7 for it. I can't remember, but I wanted it. And this, it used to be gold, and somebody painted it black, but you can tell it's a pretty big piece. Let me see if I can get close up of the detail. And the back side, you know, it's got that thing like cabinets have where you'd slip it down over something, but I can figure out a way to hang it. But it was $4. Well, you can't see it. But anyway, my battery's going dead. So thanks for watching. Just wanted to share some more of my thrift store shopping finds.